Hello everyone, today I'm gonna prepare Korean noodles. This is an instant soup. For this we need some ingredients. A little of water, green onion chopped into pieces, grilled garlic, 1 cooked egg, powdered rib or chicken broth, soy sauce, salt, cooked carrots chopped into cubes. First, we boil a little of water with a little ground garlic. Stir and green onion. After boiling, add the noodle and wait for 5 minutes. Now we add the seasoning from the package. This is very spicy. We add the rib or powdered chicken, soy sauce, to taste. Salt to taste. And stir. It's ready. Now we plate it. First, the soup water. Now, the noodles. We put the egg, the cooked carrot and the green onion. That's it. That's the way I make Korean noodles. Thanks for watching.